Good morning. It is 6:44 on Sunday, September 29th. We just launched, well, when I say we, I say me. I just launched from Saddle Cove, Lake Mead. Seems like there's a bit of a topwater bite, so I'm gonna try and run the popper for a couple, little baby bass popper. See if I can have any luck. Let's see what we get into. Alright, looks like we got some topwater action going off, so let's see if I can't stand up and get some better casts in. Yeah, they're all around me right now. Oh yeah. Slow bite. I was out here yesterday and I caught two. They were dinks on the Texas rig, but I don't see anything on the finder. And everything stopped jumping. I'll throw a couple. Yeah, why not, right? I don't know if you could see that guy up there, but got a little coyote running around. Can I pet that dog? That always makes the skunk a little easier. I'm not actually going to speak that into existence yet. I take that back. I completely revoked that last statement. There will be no skunkage today. I'm actually just going to snap my fingers and I'm going to have a fish on. Watch, you'll see. I don't know if it's going to be top water. Probably be drop shot or wacky rig, but guess we'll see. There we go. We're on. Give it another 5 minutes with the popper. Been unsuccessful so far. Hopefully we can change that here. Let's see. That was probably the best cast of my entire life with a bait caster, so that's cool. There we go. We're on. Yeah, first topwater bite, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Ooh, ooh, it's a good one. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh. I feel absolutely terrible that my little smallmouth buddy took a digger there. That was complete negligence on my end. Won't happen again. I forgot the net in the van. So next time I'm out, count on watching me pulling a fish with the net. He snapped the line. Oh. Hey, dude, just chill out there for a minute. All right, bud? What? Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Dude. Oh my gosh. Dude. Yeah. Thank you, buddy. Dude, killer bite. Dude. Yes. Oh man, the bite on that guy was so sick. Look at this guy. Oh my god. Gosh. On the top too. All right, buddy. Let's get you back. Say bye to all your new fans. All right. There we go. Later, bud. Thanks, dude. What a pretty fish too. Oh my gosh. I wasn't gonna come today. I really wasn't gonna come out here today, but yeah, I woke up at 4. I've been on 5 10s and an 8. The other day I did 12. I mean, not terrible, but that dude right there made it worth it. Hell yeah. So rad. All right, let's see if we can catch another one. I was gonna switch over to drop shot, but already here, and you know, for sure we know that they're biting. I gotta tie my lure back on, dang it. All right, well, there we go. Oh, let's go. Oh, I missed it. Not stoked on that. That was such a bummer. Here, fishy. I missed it. I wasn't watching. Whoops. Alright, let me reposition really quick and we'll get back to it. There's some vegetation below me and it's alive, so I'm sure there's more than one here. We'll go for it for another 10 minutes or so and then maybe switch over to drop shot. Back on the top water. Tried drop shotting for probably an hour. Didn't get anything, so yeah, still a little overcasty. I saw some stuff jumping over here. Oh, right behind me. Probably gonna try this for 5-10 minutes and then get out of here. Yeah, cool. Hopefully we get something. Unfortunately, did not lock anything else in for that day. I was ultimately extremely still happy with my PB smallmouth. Honestly, any bass fishing I've done before. So I'd call that a win overall. Kind of just loaded it up and called it a day. But anyways, thanks for watching and keep an eye out for more to come.